If they leave it, and I say you go they play.
That's it.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on the night show for today. My name is Nanedu_ for me and EasyB done for Inside Studio this evening to make sure say your evening is sweet. Where we're how today. Hope say your gap for work not give you wahala. Hope say traffic don't hold you for those of the way they Lagos because it's a usual something in Lagos. Depending on where you do stay, if your house is far from your office, like some people, we know them. They stroll to the office. Their car go park for like 2 years. They move. But anyway, this evening we get a gancho somebody for Inside Studio. Somebody when be say anything we concern movie, the guy sabi and preciously. In fact, the guy is a wizard or winch when it comes to movie making. The guy even do one new movie they call Stupid movie. I don't know what thing give on that name. We go sit down finish. You know, for Nigerian film we can get for Nollywood we can get stupid name. This virgin.
Mother of Dragon.
Nkechi the house girl. Like you know, none of you get better names given a movie. Anyway, I will get Stanley or what the fuck? Is it can't call this name for me? Now your brother. Stanley Ohikware.
Ohikware. Yeah.
Asabiana, Stanley Ohikware. I get him.
Try.
Man of God, how is the ministry?
It's moving.
The ministry is moving to permanent site or to camp?
No, to the double permanent site.
To Mowe.
Wait, you know the permanent site day. You know, wait, you first get compound. Compound and when you just they start. When people just they know you small. Then when you don't come hammer small money, then you come move go permanent site. That time some people don't know you. When you don't go permanent site, from permanent site now when the ministry don't blow. If you see Redeemed Church, you see Redeemed Church first get a church everywhere. When they come blow, they can go camp. Camp now they get more members. I don't know, are you with me on this issue?
I'm with you.
So you depend on where you there now. Now permanent site you there, compound, permanent site, or according to you, double permanent site or camp. Or you there road to camp because camp now move. Think camp.
Traffic day road.
Traffic day road. If you can use a helicopter, depending on or you can use witchcraft because we're in a coffin and witch on a bit.
Well, they go camp, sharp. Small traffic there.
Small traffic there, but they move go camp. You don't go down. You don't come up from permanent site.
No, we
don't
don't
camp.
face me. I face you again.
Face me and slap you.
No.
You don't come up from permanent site now. You they move now.
You enter my wayside.
You enter my wayside now. Okay. Yeah, in this spirit, hallelujah, somebody. Anyway, we'll get started. Ohikware for Stanley Ohikware now somebody when you say Sabi well on top things when you say consign film matter. But now for you go back small checking the break. Here one video why I like where. Stanley the gist about this video when they watch and about Nigerian artists where go sing one song they don't go sleep. But to see I'm now a person like Fino Faz the bad guy, enough songs they still they relevant to the industry. Olamide, all of them. Who know? You be like say you talk like say person we sing before. You sing before.
I didn't sing that. I get one album.
Who's where's the market for press you?
No, actually, no, my children they listen to the album actually.
Only your family like they buy the CD. Which kind of song you they sing that time? See, I shouldn't even catch on the talk.
No, see, you know how they can sing that song. Yeah.
This kind
I
of
think. Sing one. Try, sing one.
See, don't try me.
Try.
If you look for trouble.
Don't try me.
Na rap, abi na reggae, abi na.
All of the above.
This kind of song where they dance like this.
Oh, we say baba.
No, the truth is here.
Oh, we say modene. It's also not him.
Just forget you. I don't just be a dog guy. Na East I grew up. So now both Igbo and Edo, everything I do together.
Anyway, Stanley, welcome to the night show. Now, tell us about you. Tell us where you, as in things about you, things where people don't know about you.
Things where people don't know. Okay, now they know say I did.
Now they know say you did, and they know say your name is Stanley.
Exactly. What you don't know, we say. What you they don't know?
Where you come from to start with?
I'm from Edo State.
From Edo State. You don't marriage?
Before Uncle. So.
Hey, don't carry ring. Married men.
Don't make it last now.
Why you do like this? Now guys, are like, are you you sure you are not the endless? You are not in the endless league.
We'll talk off camera. Don't worry.
Anyway, we'll watch one small clip from one of the films when we say Stanley do. When we come back, we'll continue to questions. We'll ask Stanley for Inside the Studio. Still on Top of the Night Show. Will they come back?
If you are not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.